Aunt Daphne is a play. This is my first play that I've written. This is the first play I'm directing. The message of Aunt Daphne is really about creating safe spaces so that people can engage in conversations around their mental well-being and wellness. Me and my family have been through quite a lot together, as a lot of families have been, and now, just recently, a lot of us actually healed through our trauma. And so I felt it was right to write a story about this because we felt ready, we were healed, and we wanted to help other families going through similar experiences to also heal over what they were going through. We all went through mental health first aid training as a team. That was important for me. We're working towards fathers and mothers openly talking to their children, being vulnerable with them, and vice versa. In the teaser, there's a lot of cake, there's a lot of confetti. Let's just say that this play is a celebration of life. Yeah. That was so like ambiguous. My room is a real good place for me to think and be creative. Ever since I was a kid, I just really fell in love with anime. I actually really enjoyed the storyline. I felt that the storyline was quite advanced for a kid show, and I was really like intrigued and I was really interested as a kid. I listen to like a lot of like instrumental music or like a lot of gospel music. There's just something about, I guess, uplifting music that really gets me inspired to write. Like it's just this strong urge, like it tugs at my heart and I'm like, I need to write now. And so like I'll legit, whatever I have, I'll grab a book, I'll grab my phone, my laptop or whatever, and I'll just write. All of my, I guess, the works that I feel most confident in, or I feel was like, yeah, like this is solid, have all been in one sitting. So yeah, Brown Brother, that was written in one sitting. Same for the script for Forgotten Dawn Children, and for Aunt Daphne, I started writing it at like 10 o'clock at night, finished it at 5 o'clock the next afternoon. Aunt Daphne is kind of my current project where that for me is a healing tool for everyone involved in the process, as well as for our audience who come and watch. And yeah, I feel that a lot of my writing and what I create is all about healing others.